Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Oztech. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So today we are making body lotion, a simple body lotion. The main ingredients, like the main working ingredient we are using today is lavender extracts. So we are using lavender extracts, okay, natural. So that's the main ingredient in our formulation today of body lotion. So in this body lotion, our emulsifying wax, we are using Polawax and we are using co-wax stearic acid in this body lotion. And another co-emulsifier we are using is called Sorbitan stearate. So this helps to reduce the rubbing time. Sorbitan stearate helps to reduce the rubbing time. And the oil we are choosing, almond oil, sweet almond oil, and the hard butter we are choosing is shea butter. Okay, so that's the major ingredients in our formulation. It's a simple one. So here I've pre-measured all my ingredients. We have the oil phase, okay, which includes the waxes and the butter and oil. And then we have the water phase. We have the glycerin and the Xanthan. So Xanthan is the thickener here. It's a stabilizer to help stabilize our body lotion for a very long period of time. So preservative, we're choosing Euxyl 1910. You can use other type of preservative, and we also be using vitamin E oil, okay, for antioxidant purpose, not for body. So you can go ahead and put more ingredients into your formulation, like vitamin E acetate for the skin. You can go ahead and put moisturizer into your formulation. So just put those things in the cold period time, okay, when you are adding your preservative, your vitamin E oil. So that's when you add those additional ingredients. So you can go ahead, manipulate the formula. It will be in the description box below. So you can go ahead, add more things to make it more rich or quality. So but today we are just making a simple body lotion. So I will be taking my products to the heat right now. So when it's properly melted, I'll come back and show you guys the whole thing. Thank you. Okay, here is our melted products, the oil, the water. Please, you want to heat your water above 70 degrees so that the emulsion can take place. So we're going ahead to add our glycerin and xanthan. So always you want to mix your glycerin and xanthan into your together. You want to mix your glycerin and xanthan together so that the xanthan can properly dissolve in. Okay. So you stir in, and then we go ahead, we add our oil phase. You want to do this process on heat. I'm doing it down here because my camera can't withstand heat that much. So you want to do this process of mixture on the heat while it's on double boiler method. Okay, you see already our lotion is forming without us even blending it yet. You see our lotion is already forming. Okay, so now we want to blend it with our emulsion blender. Okay. So this is our lotion after blending. Okay, it's very hot right now, so it will take time to thicken a little bit. Once it's cold, it will be properly like taken. It won't be running as this. Mine is very hot now. I don't know if the camera can pick it. You can see the flames, the steam, sorry, you can see the steam still going out of it. So when it's below 45 degree or 40 degree, mostly below 40 degree, you want to go ahead, add your lavender extract, your vitamin E, and your preservative. Okay, so you want to go ahead and add these three using your pipette, or you pre-measure everything down, and then you add them. And then you add them into it. Okay, so I will allow mine to cool down a little bit before adding it. So before it will cool down, let's talk about other important things. So number one, you want to reblend this after it has cooled down to room temperature. You want to reblend it with your emulsifier blender. Okay, your emulsifier blender, you want to use it to blend it when it's cool to room temperature again, so that it can be well combined properly. Okay, so you want to do that. Number two, don't package your product the same day you make it. If you make it in the morning, allow it to cool down till evening or even the following day before you package it. Another thing is, if you make it in the evening, you can wait till the following day to package it, because if you package it immediately, the steam, the moisture that will form due to the heat will go back into the formulation, and this can create room for bacteria to grow in your product quickly. And you want to use preservative that are broad spectrum. For example, I'm using Euxyl PE9010. This is a broad spectrum preservative, so it will kill all the bacteria in the formulation. So that's the thing. And another thing is, this is just for personal use. If you want to make for commercial purpose or for other people, you need to learn more about skincare formulation. There are other things to consider. Yeah, you can make this for your family, for friends, for loved ones, yes. But if you are making it for people that's not within your sphere of control, then you have to really need to study cosmetic science or a little bit of skincare formulation. You don't need to go into depth of cosmetic science, so that you can be well knowledgeable of how to control some things in skincare product, so that it won't cause any harm to anyone. Another thing you want to do is correct your pH of your product. Here I have my own pH meter that I'm using, so I will correct the pH of this product to 5.5 for my skin, for example, and then, or I will maybe 5, because the pH should be around 4.5 to 6. 4.5 to 6. So you want to correct your pH between 4.5 to 6. I always tell my students, don't leave your pH at 4.5. Don't leave it at 6. Leave it within the period, because over a period of time, the pH can either shift down or shift up. So you want to leave it, for example, maybe at 5, 5.5. Those are good range. You can leave it within, so that if it goes down, it doesn't go below 4.5. If it goes up, it doesn't go above 6 pH. In that way, your product is preserved very well. And another thing is, you want to use antioxidant, because we are using oil, vegetable oils in our product. So you need antioxidant in your body lotion or body cream. You need antioxidant to preserve your product, to prevent it from going oxidized. Okay, so when your product start getting oxidized, you see that the color from the day you made it and after some time will be different. The color will start changing from the day you made it. So when you start seeing product like that, know that they are oxidizing already. So you want to input antioxidant. So those are basically most of the things you need to consider when making your product. So let's go ahead now and add our deep face, which is our preservative, our extract, and our vitamin E. And if you see that your lotion is too runny after you blend it in the cold phase the second time, you can go ahead, increase the stearic acid, increase the Polawax, but increase one first and then go ahead, increase the second one. After the second formulation, you see that it's still running, then you can still increase it in that way. So my preservative I'm putting is 1 gram. Okay, 1 gram. My extracts, I'm putting also 1 gram. And then my vitamin E, I'm putting 0.5. Better I use the cup. Okay. As you can see, this is our lotion. It's still a little bit hot, but for the purpose of this video, so that it won't be too long, I'm putting everything now. Okay, so I will allow this to cool down properly and then go ahead and blend one more time. That way my body lotion is ready. If I see that it's too running for me for a body lotion, all I need to do is increase my emulsifying waxes. I will increase them, either 1 or 2 of them, and then I'll get the final result I want. And then when you increase your emulsifying wax, go ahead and decrease the quantity. You increase by in water, decrease it in water. Please don't forget that your percentage, everything must be 100 gram. Okay, so let's say for example your percentage, I always put in the formulation, in the formula description box below, I always put 100 like in percentage and in the gram. So if it's written there percentage, just know 100 gram is the same figures that are written there. And then if it's 200, just double the figures you see there. 300, you triple it, and that's it. So maybe in the near future, in another video, I will talk about how to convert a percentage to gram and how to convert gram to percentage for our formulation, so that you can, when you see a formulation or a formula written in percentage, you can know how to convert it easily to gram. So that will be the end of our formulation. Happy formulating and thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, so that the video can be suggested to other viewers, okay, so that they can see it. Please, if you like the video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Happy formulating.